Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to use my dishwasher cleaner. This eliminate lime, scale, grease, odors in your machine. It's a lemon scented, cleans, deodorize, presence and protect. This is the 24 tablets septic safe advanced formula for deep cleaning. So you can buy this online, a 1-year supply, 24 pieces. And as you see, easy to use. There's a step-by-step how to use it. And this is a product. This is based in the United States, produced in China. Actually, the manufacturing company based in United States, but they have a factory in China. Save them money for labor costs. Now I'm going to use this. So if you guys have an issue with your dishwasher, as you see, there's a label that you can put and you are able to use this. So this one is a 24 pieces. So in 1 month, so they ask you to use twice of this, so every 15 days, so you need to use this. As you see, they pack this really nice, and I'm going to use right now. So there's a bonus, get a free 3 months supply, scan code or text free 3 months, or dial that number, you have a 1-year supply, so on and so forth. So this is the actual tablet. So what I need to do, so open this. So once you open it, this is what you guys will see. So all you have to do, you need to drop this in, close it. Even though that you have a brand new dishwasher, I got this last year, but it smells some odor which I don't like, so I decided to buy a dishwasher cleaner to eliminate the lime scale and the grease. So I have this Maytag. So what you need to do is just click this quick start. That's it. That's how you guys will use this Basion's dishwasher cleaner. Eliminate lime scale, grease and odor in your machine. This is tested and proven to work in all dishwasher, and it's a lemon scented, cleans, deodorize, present and protect, septic tank safe advanced formula for deep cleaning. I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel. You can buy this from Amazon, eBay, and it's a good thing to have this kind of dishwasher.